content creations, a lot of persons are struggling with, oh, which niche, which content, which niche should I go into that is going to be trending, is going to be very good, is going to are going to have a lot of attentions. Here I'm going to share with you 10 powerful niches, 10 niches for content creators. I mean, if you want to come into content creation as a content creators, these 10 niches are what if you use, you are sure. I mean, 100% assurance that if you're consistent on it, you are going to succeed. Let's dive in to the first one. But trust me, these 10 niches, I guarantee you, you will not like to miss the number 9. So do not skip this video. Do not pass this video. Make sure you watch it to the end so you can get the number 9. Number 9 is very, very powerful. You will not like to miss the number 9. Out of these 10 niches, you won't like to miss number 9. And if you think you're smart, kindly drop number 9 in the comment section. Drop number 9. Tell us what you think. Suggest which niche is number 9. Just drop it at number 9 and watch out for it, because I guarantee you, you won't like to miss number 9 because it's very, very powerful. So do well to watch to the end. So let's start with the first one. The first one is personal development and motivation. Come on. Content that focuses on self-improvement, goal setting, success stories, motivational stories, and quotes resonate with the large numbers of audience who will like to grow, who like to grow their financial ability and their personal self, who like to grow their inspirations. They love growth. People that are seeking growth. You understand what I'm talking about? This very niche resonates with them. A large numbers of persons want to succeed. Even you that is watching me want to succeed. Am I correct? So for that reasons, you need content on personal development. Although it's not everyone in the world that need it, but a good numbers of persons are looking for it. So if you're actually producing content on personal development, trust me, you're going to have a large numbers of persons that are looking for it. Let's dive into number 2, because we're going to do this very, very fast. Number 2 is health and fitness. Health and fitness is a very powerful niche. Now, when you're sharing your workout stories, your tips, what you did at the gym, if you're a person that goes to the gym, you gym, video it, share the tips on how to get body fitness, you understand, how to look good, healthy recipes, wellness advice, mental health contents. Now, this has a strong attention grabbing. A lot of people are following this. You know why? A lot of persons today are prioritizing their well-being. They want to look good, they want to live healthy. So since they want to look good, they want to live healthy, for that reason, content in these fields will really, really resonate with them. That's the very reason you should produce content in this very niche. If you're a person that is good on fitness, on health, this is a powerful niche for you. If you go into this niche, you'll really, really succeed. Let's go to point number 3. Number 3 is finance and investment. In this world that a lot of persons are interested in financial literacy, trust me, you cannot joke with this field. You know why? Content around saving, investment, money management, including cryptocurrency, as far as passive incomes, are doing very, very well. People really want to make money. Or don't you want to make money? If you want to make money, drop it in the comment section. I want to make money. Yes, because a good numbers of persons want to make money. Even me, I want to make more money. Yes, I want to make more money. Even our president is not satisfied with money. How much more me are you? How much more me are you? Me are you? Yes, that's it now. So a lot of persons want to do well. Yes, so for that reason, if you can come up with how people can make money, legit ways that people can make money, trust me, a good numbers of persons will troop in to watch, because a lot of persons want to learn. This takes us to parenting and family as number 4. Number 4 is parenting and family. Do you think this niche will do well? Let's check it out. Now, tips on parenting, family dynamic, children education, family activities appeals a broad audience, especially parents and caregivers. Yes, parents want to give their children the best lifestyle, the best food. Okay, let me just diversify a bit. When we're talking about parenting, there are a lot of you. So you can just talk about taking care of newborn babies, infants, the best food for babies. You just make thorough review on that alone is a powerful niche that you can have a lot of people coming in to watch every day. How about children education? Yes, like let's assume it is period that school are coming up, like this very period that people are coming up, school are resuming. You can talk about that. Yes, how to send your children to schools, the kind of schools you should send your children to, the topic that what you should do as a parent to see that you're doing your best for your children. A lot of people would like to listen to this topic. I mean, a whole lot of person would like to listen to it. This takes us to number 5, which is traveling and adventures. A lot of persons like this topic. So, Kishin travel is destination like Dubai, Philippines, Manila, Abuja, Lagos, places in Lagos. Let me take you to, okay, I know you don't know these places in Lagos, so let me take you to so places in Lagos, like Banana Island. Let me take you to so beach. You want to go to beach, but you don't have enough money, so you don't want to go to an expensive beach, but you just want to go to a beach with your spouse and go and cool the brain. Let me take you to a small beach that you can just sit out at so place. Do you know that there is a beach at Badagry? Do you know that there is a beach at so place? As you're mentioning this beach like this, people are actually learning. People will want to come and watch this because they want to learn. Do you know that there's so beach? There's a beach at Ibno. Do you know there's a beach in Calabar? Do you know there's a beach in so place? As you're telling people this, people will want to come and watch it. So these are destinations that you can use this and make a lot of videos as a content creator, so you cannot run out of content. Let's say you choose traveling and adventures, for example, and in the next 3 months, you just want to talk about the beach that are available in Nigeria. Carry your phone and make research on the beaches that are available in Nigeria. If you can travel to those places, fine. If you cannot, you can get the photos and videos and make videos on it. If you can travel to those places, make time and visit those places and make videos. This is how this beach, this is how they charge, this is how to come to this place. So if you want to come to so place, travel to this place. Do you see you have content? A lot of content. You show you're sharing your personal experience, tips, hacks. This will grab a lot of attentions of people who are interested in exploring the world, who are interested in going to different places. There are people that don't have much, so they're trying to manage their budget. If you go into this, you're going to teach a lot of people how to manage their budget. There are people that also want to go on luxury vacations. You tell them, want to go for luxury? This is places they can come and spend your money. Yes, come and enjoy your money in those places. Trust me, you can never run out of content if you're going into this niche. You know why I'm bringing this to you? Because people have been reaching out to me. Eminent, I don't have content. Eminent, I don't have content. I'm running out of content. It's as if my content has finished. And let me tell you, you cannot run out of content with these 10 niches I'm bringing to you. This is just number 5. Let's go to number 6. Number 6 is fashions and beauty. When we talk about fashion, there are a lot of topics you can bring into fashion. I mean, men wears, women wears, children, babies. Do you understand the point? Should we talk about shoes? Should we talk about glasses? Should we talk about hairstyle, fashions and beauty? You can never finish it. I mean, you will never finish it. I guarantee you, you will never finish it. So content that is about style tips, beauty routine, skincare, fashion trendings, it attracts a wide numbers of audience. People will want to listen to it. I love fashion. So since I love fashion, whenever I see people that are making videos on it, I watch it. I follow them. Yes, they don't even ask me to follow. Just they're making their videos. I am following them because I want to see it. So if you're a person that you're good in fashion, you're good in beauty, what is stopping you? Tell me. Go to the comment section and tell us what is stopping you from showcasing your talents. People that are interested in this, especially people that are interested in self-expression, they want to look good. Now, this is hoodie. You can just make videos about hoodie. Telling people the price of hoodie alone is a big niche for you. A lot of people don't know how much is this hoodie. Do you understand? Who only knows that knows it. So you can make videos on this. So you don't lack content. I mean, you don't lack content. A lot of people don't know how to dress. So see, a lot of people don't know how to dress. So you can make videos around how to dress. And a lot of persons will appreciate it. I mean, they will appreciate it. Let's go to another powerful niche. DIY. Do it yourself. Now, I'm a big fan of DIY. I love DIY videos. I love to know how to do this, how to crack this, how to do this, how to do this. Do you know you can use this, for example, you can use this AirPod and connect to 5 devices at the same time and still enjoy it. I'm not saying it's possible, but let's assume it's possible. So you teach people how to do that. Do you know there's how you can use the phone and record front and back camera at the same time? Do DIY. This is how to do it. You show people. I'm saying this as if it's possible though. Let's assume it's possible. You can teach people that people want to learn how to do all those things. Okay, let me show you how to record with your laptop. For example, at this time, I'm recording my screen, my laptop screen. A lot of people don't know how to record laptop screen. So you can teach people how to do that. This is how to do this. This is how to do it yourself. This is how to do this artwork. You see this artwork. This is how to do it yourself. People want to do this thing by themselves. All this DIY home improvement, creative projects. You see, most of DIY are creative projects. Home organization, how to arrange your home. Like, you're the only one that like it. Other people also like it. So since other people also like it, for that reason, they will watch. Go to channels like this and see. They have lots of followers. Yes, DIY have a strong community. I mean, a very strong community. People love content that inspire them. So if you can make videos on this area, you will never run out of viewers. Yes, you will never run out of viewers. People will always want to come and watch your content. Remember, I told you that number 9 is what you cannot miss. So don't skip this video. Just listen. It's number 9 will blow your mind. Now, if number 7 is like this, number 6 was like that, number 5 was like that, how much more number 8? Number 8 is food and cooking. Don't you like food, or don't you eat food? Yes. So people like food and how to cook. So if you can share recipes, cooking tutorial. You know, a lot of people don't know how to cook. Sure, you know that. A lot of women don't know how to cook. A lot of men don't know how to cook. Yes. And they know they don't know. So they want to know. Now, if you share tutorials, share recipes, a lot of people will watch your videos. Yes. A lot of people are looking for meal plan for weight gain or weight loss. And you know this. You can share this experience. Food reviews. Yes, you can make food reviews. This alone will attract a whole lot of people. It has serious engagement. People love exploring different kinds of food, whether dishes or any kind. People just want to explore. So you can share this knowledge. Imagine you're sharing content in this area and you tell me you don't have content. It's not possible now. They never born you say you don't get content. You know they're possible. You will always be having content upon content upon content upon content upon. Yeah. Remember I told you number 9 is mind blowing. Get ready. Fasten your seatbelt. Sit well. Bring out your chest for number 9, because I'm telling you, number 9 is mind blowing. What is number 9? Tech and gadgets. Tech and gadgets. People wonder, is tech and gadget mind blowing? Yes, they are mind blowing. Do you know why? Let's take like airports. There are many airports that are coming out every day. Mouse, different type of mouse are coming out every day. Earphone, mic, everything, pouch, power bank, laptop. These niches are coming out every day. I mean, like every day. So these things are coming out every day. A lot of persons want to explore it. I mean, a lot of persons want to explore it, and as they're exploring this, they are watching. They are coming on YouTube to search for it. They are going on Facebook to search for it. They want to know this content. They want to get this knowledge. As they are getting this knowledge, they are watching your video. They are curious. I mean, the consumers, when it comes to tech and gadget, are very high. We are highly curious. iPhone 15, iPhone 16, iPhone 18. Immediately it's out. We want to see what is inside of it. People that are making review of this are having a lot of it. So if you're making reviews on technologies, gadgets, how to use this, unboxing, all of this is going to be mind-blowing. I mean, they are mind-blowing, so to say. Yes, related technologies, gadget, apps, softwares, updates, these attract a lot of people. We are curious about it. So this is mind-blowing on its own. So if you are not actually doing it, you're thinking of a niche to go into. Take it from me today. Tech and gadget is a powerful niche. It's mind-blowing. If this is number 9, what is number 10? Look out for number 10, entertainment and pop culture. I don't have to talk much about entertainment, because you know how powerful entertainment is. This on its own has a powerful effect. Man, engaging content, topics like engaging trending topics, movies reviews, TV shows, pranks, comedies, celebrity news, music content, this on its own attract a lot of content. Look at someone like Untouchable. He's doing pranks. Untouchable is a prankster. Look at the kind of house he's living. In one of his interviews, he said that the house and the land worth about approximately 500 million. I stand to be correct, that's what I heard. As a prankster, look at the amount of money that these guys are making. There's serious money in that niche. So if you can come up with this, A lot of persons are looking for something to entertainment. A lot of us are looking for things that will entertain us, informations, we are looking for it. Like Nigeria is very hot. Nigeria on its own is very, very hot. So since the country is very hot, we are looking for something that is going to sustain us, or something that is going to make us forget about the problem, the headache, the fuel, the dollars. At least if you can make us for 5 minutes to forget about the dollars, the dollar rate, the high price of fuel. For that 5 minutes, you have our attention. Look at someone like Mark-Angel. Mark-Angel is a comedian, so to say. Look at the kind of house that he's living. Yes, I have a lot of persons that are in this niche and are making serious money. Hope you've gotten value from this. And if you have not liked this video up to this, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, like and share, comment. Tell us what else you would like to know, so that as you are coming, we are going to show you back to back. In the next video, I am going to show you videos that are evergreen videos that does not expire. They don't expire. Wow. And I'm going to show you in this 10 powerful niche. So if you want to create evergreen products, stay tuned and watch the next video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop video, you'll be the first to get the notification. I love you.